restaurant now, enjoying a taste of Northern Thailand. Let's go see what the chef's making.
This is very simple. You just click and turn it on, and then I will turn this on while I'm mixing the shrimp ball here. So the ingredients that I said earlier, the red curry paste that I made it, and I have some of the white peppercorn, pepper powder here, light soy sauce, and coriander stem diced up, garlic, the lesser ginger, and we'll mix this up. So if you prepare all your ingredients in advance, and then on the day of a together with the making the food, so you can just mix everything up, and then just very easy to deep fry it and have it a very nice, aromatic and hot appetizer for your guests that come over. And then I have the shrimp here. So this shrimp, either we use a large spoon to mix them, or sometimes very simple and easy if you have a glove in your kitchen, or either like a plastic, or this is nitrite cloth here, sponges. So I have, so you can see, you know, it's not greasy at all. Even though I use the deep fry method for the cooking, and the time of the cooking is very, very fast, as you see.
Thank you for joining us on Regarding Luxury TV. We had so much fun at the Taste of Thailand at the Luxe Appliance Studio. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon.